Hello, crafty friends. This is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today we continue unboxing the 12 Days of Stitchmas Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders, and we are almost done. We're actually on day 10 today. By the way, I do have cards and videos. Now, these are not tutorials. These are just videos showing the product and showing the project made with the product. So I have videos featuring cards and dies from all the previous days of this amazing crafty, I keep calling it crafty. It's not crafty. It's 12 Days of Stitchmas Advent Calendar. And the reason I say it's not crafty because there is also another Advent Calendar that is a crafty Advent Calendar. And I will be unboxing. I am hoping to start unboxing that one on December 1st through December 24th. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's surprise. So we're looking at day 10. Are you guys ready? Ta-da-da-da. Oh, beautiful. We have the wonderful Let It Snow and also a stitchable ornament. I love that there are so many different dies, sentiment dies in this Advent calendar. And also this is like the second, I feel like that's the second ornament. We also had another ornament here. So if you want, you can combine, well, actually, no, that's the third ornament because we had another one. This one, I think this one was like day 1 or something. So we now have 3 different ornaments, and that's awesome because, well, that allows you to create different card designs. You can combine different ornaments, make beautiful designs on your cards. Like, let's look at this card. See, this card, for example, I have 3 identical ornaments. It's this one. But what if you could, instead of doing 3 identical, have one of these, then this one, and then this one? That would look really cool. Maybe that's what I'll do for this card. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. Okay, let me pause my video, work on my project, and I'll be back in a little bit. I realized I forgot to show you how the dies look, so let me show you that real quick. First, we have one die that cuts the words, Let It Snow, and then you can arrange these any way you want. Well, not any way, but there are options as to how you can arrange them. Letter L is separate, ET are separate, it is separate, or rather I should say it is one piece, and then snow is one piece. So you can, as you can see, the dash or whatever this is called on the T is kind of longer so that you can hang the ornament from it. What I also tried doing is I tried to nestle the it under here, and that looked really nice. That's what you can do if you don't want to nestle the ornament there. So you have that option. Okay, you also have the ornament dies, and there are 4 dies for that. So you have the outside of the ornament or the outer cut edge. You have the insert that creates beautiful lines, and I have used that here. There's also this little piece, the insert, although this one has a cut line, so it will cut an entire piece out like this. And I used that die like this to cut this ornament. So I have a little frame, and then I have another ornament cut from gold glitter cardstock behind it. And I popped this up using foam adhesive squares, but the 1mm, the thin foam adhesive squares. You also have a little bow die and then the ornament topper. I didn't add the bow die, but I did add the topper. And here I have another ornament where I used both the topper, the bow, and then I added the little stitchable insert. This piece is the one that you can stitch, but I opted to not to stitch it. So here's a look at my card. I did a very simple design. Since this says Let It Snow, I wanted to create a snowy background, and for that I used the confetti Better Press plate with opal foil on the Spellbinders Indigo cardstock. You can also do this with white foil to have white snow. I debated doing that, but I wasn't sure. I didn't want the snow to overpower my design. So I opted for something more tone-on-tone, and that's what you can do with this opal foil. It gives a beautiful tone-on-tone look. I also added little leaves from the previous day, from day 9, and I have berries. These were cut using a die from my Christmas cracker die set from the City Holiday Collection. And then I have this little red piece over here, I just felt like I needed a little bit more red here on this card. So what I did is I actually used a banner die, again, from my Christmas cracker die set. I cut it from red cardstock, and then I just used scissors. I snipped a little bit at the end, and I tucked it under the letter L. So super simple. So this is a look at day 10 of the Spellbinders 12 Days of Stitchmas Advent Calendar. Hopefully, I'll be back tomorrow with day 11. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.